No, you the controller.
All right, y'all. We kicking it hard at Willitary. We taking Miss J out of her box. We're gonna put her some hard rock. This is an extreme arm pump. We're gonna do a Big Guns AC/DC. So we're taking her out of her box because she's always trying to sing and dance while working out. Let's see if she makes it all the way through. We haven't had not one person yet make it all the way through this full range, the whole song. Let's see what she got. She took a little vacation, but ain't no excuse. Come on. You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, I want you to work hard. You ready? We're gonna take it up top. Up top. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Curl 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pump 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Roll it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You know what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Up top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll it up. Ready? 5, 6, 7. Come up. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it all for a skip. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, push it, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Roll it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Coming up. 1, 2, 3. Catch up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Woo! Yeah, that skipped and it took like a minute of the song.
I got Molly.
Oh, Lordy.
All right, that's the start. They're getting you warmed up.